Welcome to the TikTok Affiliate Masterclass. Let's just dive right into this explainer, shall we? Today, we're going to discover exactly how you can build a flexible side income right around your crazy university schedule. Look, if you're out there balancing lectures, assignments, and endless exam prep, you already know that time and money are the two things you're constantly running out of. But hey, today, we're going to change that narrative completely. So, are you tired of being a broke student, but just way too busy for a traditional part-time job? Well, as your mentor today, I am going to show you a low-stress, high-reward system to launch your own affiliate business without spending a single cent of startup capital. Literally zero. You see, the beauty of affiliate marketing here in Malaysia right now is that online shopping adoption is absolutely massive. And the best part? No holding inventory, no packing shipments, no dealing with angry customer service emails. You literally just need your smartphone, your authentic voice, and the solid strategy we're about to cover. Here's our playbook for today. First, finding your profitable niche. Second, technical setup made simple. Third, the 3 content elements. Fourth, live streams and community trust. And finally, metrics, consistency, and growth. It's a clear, straightforward roadmap designed specifically for you, the busy student. All right, Module 1, find your profitable niche. Building a solid foundation really starts with picking the right lane. Now, focusing on local Malaysian shopping trends is a real game changer because it directly solves the daily problems of your fellow students. Just think about it for a second. Your peers, they're dealing with those awful late-night study breakouts, so they need budget skincare, or maybe they need affordable gadgets to make their dorm life a bit more productive. When you align your content with stuff you already understand and genuinely use every day, talking about them just feels completely natural.
This is absolutely crucial. Never promote everything at once. See, a focused niche builds authority and trust, while a random niche, it just confuses your audience and completely tanks your conversion rates. Actually, one of the biggest beginner mistakes I see is people pushing random items just because they're cheap or currently trending. Like, if your followers come to you for cool tech gadgets, and then suddenly you're pushing, random kitchenware, you'll instantly break the trust you've built up. Pick 1 or 2 niches and just totally own them.
Moving on to step 2, technical setup made simple. Getting our backend running is step 1 for getting paid, and I promise it's way easier than your finals week assignments. Okay, so by signing up on the Involve Asia dashboard, you're getting this amazing centralized hub. You can partner with major brands without having to go and apply to every single one individually. Instead of frantically jumping from website to website, you just log into one single dashboard. You browse the advertiser directory, apply to relevant brands with a quick click, and boom, you instantly generate your unique tracking links. Those links are what ensure you actually get paid your commission when someone buys through your recommendation. Now, let's look at this simple checklist to legally and properly link your TikTok profile to the Seller Center so you can actually start earning. By the way, for those of you starting with under 1,000 followers, this is your absolute golden ticket. First, download the TikTok Seller Center app. Second, register your tax identification number via the LHDN My Tax app. Third, jump into the Seller Center settings. And fourth, listen up, because this is the most important part, link your personal profile as a marketing account. Once that's approved, boom, your affiliate features are totally unlocked. All right, step 3, the 3 content elements. Now that we have the tech out of the way, let's master the big 3 content pillars that actually put money in your pocket. Element number 1 is the hook. Look, if they don't watch, they don't buy. It's that simple. Your hook must be a bold, emotional statement or question in those first 3 seconds, designed specifically to stop a user from scrolling. The TikTok algorithm is seriously ruthless. You have exactly 3 seconds to give the viewer a reason to stick around. You can use an unboxing hook, a problem and solution hook, or just ask a burning question you know your target audience is already thinking about. To put that into perspective, using authentic, emotionally driven Malaysian hooks creates this intense curiosity and a sense of urgency that viewers simply cannot ignore. Imagine starting the video with, "Regret buying this," or "B40 price but T20 quality." People immediately stop scrolling to see exactly what you're talking about. Like, why do you regret it? And then you hit him with the twist. You regret buying it so late because it's just that good. It's such a classic, high-converting technique that plays right into our natural curiosity. Next up, features and benefits. The golden rule here, don't just list a bunch of boring facts. Show yourself actually using that budget study lamp right there in your dorm room to prove that it works. This is the real meat of your video. For example, if you're promoting an anti-wrinkle shawl, please don't just say it doesn't wrinkle.
Actually crush it up in your hands, shove it in your bag, pull it back out, and show the camera that it is still perfectly 100% smooth. Authentic product demos that solve a real-world problem will always win, because action literally speaks louder than words. And the third element is the closing. You can never, ever assume your viewer knows what to do next. You have to be super clear and concise. Explicitly tell them to click the yellow bag or check the link in my bio for a discount. This is your call to action, and it's where you actually seal the deal. If you hooked them and you showed them the real value, you have got to guide them right across the finish line. Tell them exactly where that yellow bag icon sits. You want to make their path to purchase as completely frictionless as possible. Moving on to step 4, live streams and community trust. Pre-recorded videos are awesome, sure, but real-time interaction is where followers turn into loyal customers. Adding products to your live streams is a massive opportunity because it lets you close sales in real time. So you start a live, click the shop icon, select Add from Showcase, and just pin the product during your broadcast. Seriously, while you're studying or just hanging out in your dorm, just go live. When a viewer asks about that cool keyboard you're typing on, boom, pin it to the screen. You can answer their questions right on the spot, creating this immediate urgency that will massively boost your conversion rates. But remember, building a solid community trust workflow means treating your audience like friends asking for advice, definitely not like they're just another quick sale. A great trick here, reply to comments with a video. Answer their FAQs honestly, share your personal, authentic experiences. And whatever you do, avoid sounding like some cheesy late-night infomercial. Providing that genuine value signals directly to the algorithm that your community is super engaged. Okay, our final step, Module 5, metrics, consistency, and growth. This is all about how to sustain this side hustle for the long marathon. Checking your Involvasia dashboard daily is what helps you stop guessing and start understanding exactly which videos are driving your money. Look at your clicks, that's the traffic to your link, which tests your hook. Look at your conversions, those are your actual sales, which tests your features and benefits. And look at your earnings to track overall growth. Honestly, if your clicks are sky high but conversions are low, it means your hook is fantastic, but your product demo needs some serious work. Let the data tell you exactly what to fix. I want you to mentally highlight this beginner mistakes checklist because avoiding these pitfalls will save you literally months of frustration. Don't promote products outside your niche. And please do not give up before your first sale. Before you pitch at the lure, as we say. Affiliate marketing takes a little time to gain momentum. Don't forget your call to action, and absolutely do not spam links without providing real value first. Also, you have got to protect your account standing. Monitor your TikTok dashboard regularly to ensure you have 0 violation points. Your account health is literally the lifeblood of your business. One silly, unchecked policy violation can ruin your algorithm reach overnight. For example, if you link a product but never actually show that physical item in the video, yep, that's a violation. Keep your account health excellent so your videos keep hitting that For You page. Now, let's talk about balancing all of this. Look at this weekly posting schedule. Monday, draft 2 quick demo videos between your classes. Wednesday, post video 1 with a strong hook. Saturday, post video 2 and reply to all your comments. Notice how beautifully this fits right around your university deadlines? It proves that consistency is way more important than burning yourself out posting every single day. Just batch your content, find a steady rhythm, and you won't have to disappear for a whole month when exam season hits. At the end of the day, your authentic experience is your absolute superpower. Your honesty is what's going to turn those clicks into real hard sales. We all know balancing studies is super tough, but when you recommend genuine products that actually help your peers, this side hustle becomes incredibly rewarding. Never sacrifice your long-term credibility for some quick one-time commission, okay? If a product kinda sucks, just say so. Your audience's trust is the true currency here. So I have to ask, will you let another semester pass by completely broke? Or are you going to take 10 minutes today to set up your affiliate empire? The blueprint is literally right here in front of you. You've got the tools to find your niche, the steps to get your tech set up, and the exact content formula to drive sales. Don't just close this explainer and move on. Go open that Involvasia dashboard, link your seller account, and film your very first product review. Let's make it happen.